Congress Working Committee discussed the schedule of the Congress President's election forwarded by Election Authority, Central Election Authority. Initially, you are aware that Congress President is in his initial remarks itself emphasized the need of the Congress President election in June itself, which was committed in the last January Working Committee meeting. But generally, the entire members of the Congress Working Committee stood very strongly, and they have given their opinion that this is not the time for conducting internal party election. Entire energy of the Congress party should be utilized for the relief activities of the COVID-19 pandemic and to save maximum human life which we can. That is why, therefore, Congress Working Committee has unanimously adopted a resolution. Congress President seek each and every person in the Working Committee on this matter, their view on this matter, and finally we adopted a resolution in this regard. I will read out that resolution also. The CWC considered the election schedule for electing the AICC President as proposed by Central Election Authority of the party. In view of the national-wide emergent condition prevailing on account of unprecedented corona pandemic, the CWC was unanimous that all of our energy should be channelized towards saving every life and helping every COVID-affected person. CWC therefore unanimously resolved to defer the elections temporarily in the midst of these challenging times. This is what the resolution says. Today we had a meeting of Congress Working Committee to discuss issue relating to the alarming situation of COVID-19 pandemic. The results of the election happened states, and also internal election of the Congress President, which was decided by last January Working Committee meeting. Along with the Congress Working Committee members, Chief Ministers of Congress-ruled states and permanent invitees to the Working Committee are also participated. In this meeting, General Secretaries and in charges of the election happened states have briefed the Working Committee about the results of the state elections in a detailed manner. Initially itself, Congress President already enlightened the Working Committee by her words for appointing a fact-finding committee to go into the various aspects of the failure of the Congress party in the state elections. That committee will be constituted very soon. That committee will go into the details, and thereafter Congress Working Committee will further go into the reasons of this failure.
कि कांग्रेस की केंद्रीय चुनाव समिति ने एक इलेक्शन स्केड्यूल कांग्रेस अध्यक्षा जी के माध्यम से और संगठन महासचिव जी के माध्यम से कांग्रेस कार्य समिति के समक्ष रखा। जिस प्रकार की पूरे देश में इमरजेंट कंडीशंस हैं, लोग मर रहे हैं, ऑक्सीजन, दवा और बेड उपलब्ध नहीं है और कोरोना महामारी का प्रकोप चारों ओर है, इस ऐसी हालात में कांग्रेस कार्य समिति के सभी सदस्यों ने एक स्वर से ये कहा कि आज जरूरत है कि हम सब सर और जोड़कर ताकत लगाकर एक एक जिंदगी बचाएं और कोरोना की महामारी से लड़ें। इसीलिए कांग्रेस कार्य समिति ने एक स्वर से और एक मत से बहुत थोड़े समय के लिए टेम्परेरीली डेफरमेंट जो है इलेक्शंस की उसकी सिफारिश की और उसका प्रस्ताव पारित किया।